The Cove Clear Rapid Antigen Test can be self-administered by individuals 18 and older. A parent, guardian, or medical professional should administer the test for individuals between 3 and 17 years of age. Before starting the Cove Clear Rapid Antigen Test, make sure to have the following elements: 1 sample vial and cap, 1 buffer solution ampoule, 1 sterile swab, and 1 test strip. Only use the test elements provided in the Cove Clear test kit. Step 1. Pour entire buffer solution ampoule into empty vial. Buffer ampoules are not considered biohazards. Step 2. Insert dry swab into one nostril until you meet resistance. Swirl and twirl 7 times. Repeat with the same swab in the other nostril. Make sure not to push the swab past resistance, as this can cause injury. Step 3. Place swab into the prepared vial with buffer solution. Slightly swirl the vial and swab for 30 seconds. Step 4. Press tip against the side of the vial to squeeze the liquid from the swab for 10 seconds. Do not remove swab. Step 5. Place a new test strip with the arrow pointing downward into the vial with the swab. Only to touch the green end, otherwise you can damage the test and make it invalid. Step 6. Place cap securely onto the vial until it makes a snap sound. The cap will permanently lock into place. Keep the vial on the countertop, making sure not to tip it over, as this could affect the test's results. Test results will appear within 20 minutes. The blue line on the strip will turn red, indicating the test strip is working properly. If the red line does not appear, then your test strip is invalid, and a new test must be performed. If after the 20 minutes and only a red line appears, then the test is negative. If a green line appears below the red line, then the test is positive for active coronavirus. You may want to seek further medical assistance. A green line with no red line above it indicates an invalid and needs to be retaken. Reference the test results key for further information. If you have questions about Cove Clear and your results, ask a medical professional or visit www.covecleartest.com.